how to save payment method on ASOS. Saving your payment method on ASOS can be done during a checkout process or within your account settings as well. Now, if you want to do it during a checkout procedure, all you need to do is start adding item to your bag, right? Once you're done adding the product to your bag, you want to go to a view bag. As you do this, you will be able to see this checkout field. You could just tap open the checkout, and there at the bottom of the page you could find payment. Once you tap open to the payment section here, you will be able to save the payment method. You could just go ahead and enter in the credit card or debit card information, and that's how you're going to save payment method during a checkout procedure. Next, if you want to do it in the account settings, you just want to exit out and open up ASOS app once again. Go to the menu from the left hand side corner of the screen. There, you just want to go to My Account from the list. As you go to My Account, you have to go ahead and look for payment method. You could simply go to Add New Payment, and this is the field. You have to go ahead and enter in all the information, and you could just go to Save Address, and you will be taken to the payment section. And that's how you're supposed to save payment method on ASOS app. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.